In recent years, there's been a growing demand for mental health help. Here at Compton College this week, the next generation is coming up with new ways to meet that need.
Mental health is not talked about.
Diego Ricard sounds like he's presenting a college thesis, but he's a high school senior who just spent 14 months learning about mental health. Organizers say a youth mental health crisis that began emerging during the explosion of social media was heightened by the pandemic and recent wildfires.
Doing this program has made me realize how much more I want to help someone mentally, especially because mental health is not something that's very talked about.
We need more mental health professionals, but in particular, we need mental health professionals from diverse and marginalized communities so that they can work in communities.
Dr. Harold Koplewicz heads up the nonprofit Child Mind Institute, which teamed up with the state of California to create an intensive summer learning and year-round mentoring program that ends with paid internships. Dr. Nina Denson is overseeing these students.
Here in the Compton area, we've seen students who've seen tragedy and oftentimes may not understand the needs or the impact tragic situations may have on them.
Just say positive things about yourself, like you are great.
During the past 3 years, organizers say 80% of program graduates have expressed interest in mental health careers, and their insight is needed. The number of teens in emergency rooms nationwide due to mental illness has jumped, and that includes suicide attempts.
That's 1 every 30 seconds. These are the most common illnesses of childhood, much more than infectious disease. And so therefore, we need to start thinking in innovative ways.
He believes the nation doesn't just need more adolescent psychologists. It also needs more wellness coaches, educational efforts, and
We downloaded from the App Store.
even interactive apps that encourage journaling emotions and finding support.
My siblings, they were kind of like dealing with stuff, so they wouldn't really know how to cope with it or talk about it with my parents. We're spreading awareness.
Ricard says he's learning to spot and understand potentially troubling behaviors.
California needs young people like all of you to support your peers and to understand the power of empathy.
First Partner Jennifer Siebel Newsom and other state leaders applauded the roughly 1,500 students across the state completing this year's Youth Mental Health Academy. Their young minds are needed to help make a change.
This has made me realize how it's not talked about in families, and it makes me want to talk about it more.
Cara Finstrom, KCAL News.